It's Ask Misti Monday. Monday's my favorite day of the week. It's the day where we get to read a question from you guys and we can feel that little bit of a connection with you. So make sure, if you haven't already, to hit the like and subscribe button. That little bell notifies you that we make a video every single day, Monday through Friday, and it comes out at 5:30 in the morning. Our whole goal is to be a positive influence to help create an abundant life for you. My name's Misti and I'm a manifesting coach. Every week I have someone read a question for us that came from our Facebook, our Instagram, our Twitter, or from the comment section down below. And so Jill's going to read us the question this week. What you got, Jill?
This week, the question is, I noticed that you do videos on a variety of topics. When will you be doing some more organization videos?
The organization videos were really a fun thing that we did, so I'm glad that you enjoyed those. Thank you for that question and that comment. So I think our whole goal with our channel is, like I said, we want to create a positive life for you to help create abundance. And one of the things that a lot of our clients and our friends struggle with is the organization part of their life, and that they feel like it holds them back from spending the time that they need to meditate and to do their affirmations, and because they're kind of like all over the place. So that was the reason for the week of organization videos. It was just one more layer in your life to help you get to your ultimate goal, which would be to have an exact morning routine that can help you to meditate, and you'll be able to manifest things faster and quicker. So I will put another note on our calendar. There's so many of us here besides just me, and we're always looking for great ideas. And so the month of October we have already lined out, because that's the only way we can do it and stay organized. And the month of November, we want to do a whole month of gratitude. So if you would like to send us a little video clip, you can send it to our email, or you can send it to us on a Facebook message or a Instagram message, and you can tell us what you're grateful for, and we'd love to be able to share that with all the rest of our friends. And so I'm going to say that organization is probably going to roll back around in January, so make sure you stay tuned to that. And if you have something specific that you would like for us to talk about organizing, I know we had a comment that was somebody would like to see my closet on a time-lapse clean out, and so I think we'll work on that for the spring and get that ready for you. So every single day we're here for you, Monday through Friday. And don't forget to leave us a message here or on our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter. Send us your questions, and until tomorrow, happy manifesting.